Class 6, your chapter number 8, Introduction to Flash CS3, and today we are going to start a new topic and complete worksheet number 1 to worksheet number 5. Okay students, so let's start this topic. Class 6, today we are going to start a new topic. Your new topic name is creating the motion twin, and in last class we already discussed about these types of animation in Flash. Okay, so we discussed frame by frame animation, twinned animation. Now today we are going to start a new topic, creating the motion twin. So the steps to create a motion twin between two keyframes are as follows. So first step, student, while the keyframe 30 is still selected, drag the ball to the place where you would like it to be at the end of the animation. Now second step, right click on any of the frames in between the two keyframes. Okay, frames first and 30. So and select the create motion twin option from the shortcut menu. After third step, all the frames between the two keyframes will be highlighted and an arrow between keyframes 1 and 30 will appear. Okay, so this shows that the motion twin has been successfully created between these keyframes. Okay, so a twin icon will appear in the Flash library. You can see in a picture motion twin created. Okay, so click to creating a motion twin. Now insert frame to frame, and all are options available in a motion twin. Now next is a setting twin properties. So student, we can set the properties of the motion twin that we have just created to make the twinning occurs in a particular way. So using the option display in the property inspector. So number first step, click and hold the mouse over the ease down arrow head. So the ease slider will appear. Drag the slider up or down to increase or decrease the ease's value. Now setting twin properties in the property inspector, you can see a picture properties properly. Now second step, from the rotate drop down menu, select an option to select an option to rotate the object clockwise CW, then the counter clockwise CCW, or automatically while twinning. Okay, now student, remember point, the eases value allow you to control the rate of change between the twin frames. Okay, so number first, to begin the twin gradually and accelerate it towards the end, you need to enter a negative eases value between -1 to -100 in the eases box. Now to begin the twin rapidly and decelerate the twin towards the end, enter a positive eases value between 1 to 100 in the eases box. Okay, now next topic is student testing the animation. So we can test the animation by following the steps. Number first, to test the animation you have just created, select the control test movie option or press the control plus enter keys from the keyboard. Then the animation will be displayed in the Flash player window. Save the animation using file save option. Okay, now you can see a click on the close button to close the movie. Now tap to change the frame rate or the rate at which the animation will be played. First click anywhere in the empty stage area. So then in the property inspector area, click in the frame rate box and change the value of the frame rate as desired. Okay, now student, creating a shape twin means the shape twin allow us to make a shape or graphics smoothly change into another shape or graphics. So the steps to create a shape twin are as follows. Number first, open a new Flash document file by clicking on file new and then selecting the Flash document option from the new document dialog box and clicking on OK. After, draw a red rectangle on the stage using the rectangle tool. Remember that you have drawn this rectangle in the first keyframe. Third, the right click on frame 30 from the menu that appears. Select the insert blank keyframe option. Fourth, select the circle tool from the tools panel and draw a circle of the same size as a rectangle in this keyframe. Fifth, click on the first keyframe to select it. Now sixth, click on the twin list box in the property inspector and select the shape option from the drop down list. Okay, seventh step, test the movie by pressing the control plus enter key. Eighth, save the movie by using the save option of the file menu. Now you can see a different stages in the shape twin animation created above. Okay, so student, next student activity, match the column correctly. First is frames And your answer is a small bar to the right of the layers area. Second, keyframe. So keyframe, a special frame containing a vital step of an animation. Third, layers area. So the area to the left of the frames. Fourth, timeline. So the area above the stage that consists of frames, layer, keyframes and so on. Last, symbols. So symbol is a reusable object in Flash. Okay. Now let's recall points. First is the technique of creating an illusion of motion using still images is called animation. Second, Adobe Flash CS3 is a program that helps you to create computer animations. Third, the Flash Tools panel contains a number of tools that help you to create and edit drawings. Then the line tool, brush tool and pencil tool help you to draw free lines. Freehand lines and shape. Oval and rectangle tool help you to draw oval and rectangle respectively. Okay, student. Then the paint bucket tool is used to fill a solid or gradient color in the drawing, while the eraser tool is used to erase mistakes. Then the selection tool helps you to select the whole drawing or a part of it. An object to be animated or drawn or imported to the stage. The timeline organizes and controls the content of the Flash document over time in layers and frames. Okay. So the timeline is vertically divided into layers and horizontally into the frames. Then last, twinning is the process where Flash automatically generates intermediate frames between two keyframes to give an illusion of motion. There are two types of twin in Flash: motion twin and shape twin. Now terms to learn, student. First, animation. So a technique of given illusion of motion to in animate object drawing, and Flash, a specialized animation software by Adobe that helps to create computer animation. Frame means a small bar on the timeline that represent a single step in an animation. Okay. Next, timeline, a very important toolbar in Flash that consists of frames and keyframe. Then twin, a type of animation where an artist is needed to draw only the key images and the software will draw the intermediate images automatically. Then motion twin, twinning the movement of an object or image from one position to another. Then shape twin, so creating of animation of one shape morphing to into another shape. So all are terms to learn, all important points. So student just read and go through properly. Okay, come on, next worksheet number first, student. So first question, R dash is a single step of animation on the Flash time. So answer is frame. Second, the dash is vertically divided into layers and horizontally into frames, is known as a timeline. Third, the dash is a special type of frame where a drawing figure depicting a key change in the animation is drawn in the keyframe. Fourth, the dash tool can be used for selecting one or more objects on the stage selection. So the dash of the eraser tool allow you to erase only lines with fills remaining unaffected. So erase line mode. Okay. Sixth, last, the dash tool helps to draw rectangles, squares, and rounded rectangle is a rectangle. Now next is the worksheet number 2. First question, take the correct option. Option is which paintbrush mode only affects empty area of the stage, keeping the existing line and fill intact. So it's a paint behind. Second, color bands are created using two or more colors are called gradients. Then the area of the Flash window where you draw is called a stage. Fourth, the word twin is short for in between. Fifth, last, which tool helps to select object on the stage selection tool. Okay. Now next is the worksheet number 3. Write T for true and F for false statement. First question, you can test a Flash movie by pressing Shift plus Control key. It's a false. Next, the timeline in Flash is horizontally divided into frames and vertically into layers is a true. Third, keyframes and frames both have a black dots over them, so it's a false statement. Then you can select a stroke or fills by clicking it with the brush tool. It's a false. Fifth, Flash allow you to create twin animation. It's a true. Then sixth, last, the twin value allow you to control the frame play rate. It's a false. Okay. Now come on a worksheet number 4. Student, answer the word or a sentence. First question is what is animation? So animation is a technique of giving an illusion of motion to in an animated object or drawings. Okay. Second, what types of software is Flash CS3? It's a Flash CS3 is an animation software. Okay. Now what is the timeline? So timeline is a toolbar in Flash that consists of frames and keyframes. Okay. Now fourth, what is a frame? So frame is a small bar on the timeline that represent a single steps in an animation. Fifth question, what is a keyframe? So a keyframe is a special type of frame where a drawing or figure depicting a key change in the animation is drawn. Okay. Now come on a worksheet number 5. Answer the following question in 2 or 3 sentences. First question, what is meant by animation software? So animation software is a type of software that contains tools and features to allow us to create computer animation. Okay. Now second, distinguish between motion twin and shape twin. So motion twin is a kind of animation that enables the movement of an image from its position in the first keyframe to its position in the second keyframe, whereas shape twin is a kind of animation that enables the smooth transition of the first image into an second image. Okay. Now next, third, what is the property inspector? Add the steps to make it visible on a screen. So if it is a visible, so property inspector is a window that shows the properties of the currently open document or any objects or tool currently selected in the document in the Adobe Flash. So to make the property inspector visible on the screen, so we can click on the window properties or we can press Ctrl plus F3 keys. Okay. Now fourth, distinction between frames and keyframe. So frame is a single step of animation on the Flash timeline, whereas keyframe is a special type of frame that contain a vital step of animation where some changes take place. Okay. Last question, fifth, describe the use of the selection tool. The selection tool is used to select a single or multiple objects on the stage. Okay. So it can be also be used for reshaping lines and shapes. So student, complete the worksheet number 4th and 5th. Okay. Now student, next you can see a lab time activity. So practical number first, creating a motion twinned animation. So question is create the following two keyframes in a Flash document. Same as it is as shown below. So import an object toy car from a file by using the import option of the file menu. Keyframe number first, keyframe number 2. Okay. So create a motion twin between these keyframe by using this tab learned in the chapter. So you should be able to create an animation of a moving car at the end of the activity. Okay. Now you can practice. Do it yourself. Now second, practical student, inserting a motion guide layers and move the car inserted the previous practical along a path. So student, question, open the previous file created in the practical first. So second, click on the add motion guide icon. A guide layer will be edited about the layer first. So third, select the guide layer using the pencil tool to draw a path along which you want to move the circle. So student, you can see a motion guide drawn using pencil tool. So fourth, select the layer icon where you have done motion twinning of the object car. Fifth, select the keyframe, move the object to starting point of the path. It will stick automatically when you will draw the path. So sixth, select the second keyframe in 30th frame and stick the object car to the end of the path. So last student, test the movie and save the file. So student, do it, practice practical number first and 2. Okay. Classes, your today's homework is chapter number 8, worksheet number 1 to 3 do in your book, and worksheet number 4 and 5 do in your notebook. Okay student.